go pick up the ground. It looks mean with that thing on there.
Yeah, I wonder if we should grapple some of them rocks.
It'd be cool.